I set the bar. The take to cheer myself on. Yeah, I really know ball. See that girl in the mirror? I'm a spoiled little babe, throwing fists, taking pics. That's probably why they stay hating. Me, myself, and I got a pretty little fight. Mirror, mirror on the wall, gotta love me hard. So if you want my time, gotta treat me the same. Match my energy, keep up with my pace. I do what I want, go wherever I please. Might just cut off my phone on some D&D. That's the way I like it, solo dolo type shit. I be by my lonesome, maybe that's my problem. Me, myself, and I got a pretty little fight. Mirror, mirror on the wall, gotta love me hard. So if you want my time, gotta treat me the same. Match my energy, match my pace. I book my appointments, take myself on dates. You might think I'm selfish, that's usually the case. So come correct, I'm too top tier. I put myself first, yeah, that part is clear. Me, myself, and I got a pretty little fight. Mirror, mirror on the wall, gotta love me hard. So if you want my time, gotta treat me the same. Match my energy, keep up with my pace.